Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell Bhagavad Gita shloka number 4.17. In the previous shloka, Lord Krishna explained that even the intelligent are bewildered in determining what action is and what inaction is, and that he is going to explain to Arjuna what action is, and by knowing which he will be liberated from all misfortune. Let us begin with this shloka. कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहाण कर्मणो गतिः. The meaning: karmana, of work, he, certainly, api, also, bodhavyam, should be understood, cha, also, vikarmanah, of forbidden work, akarmanah, of inaction, cha, also, bodhavyam, should be understood, gahada, very difficult, karmana, of work, gati, entrance. The whole meaning is, the intricacies of action are very hard to understand. Therefore, one should know properly what action is, what forbidden action is, and what inaction is. If one is serious about the liberation from material bondage, one has to understand the distinctions between action, inaction, and unauthorized actions. One has to apply oneself to an analysis of action, reaction, and perverted actions because it is a very difficult subject matter. To understand Krishna consciousness and action according to its modes, one has to learn one's relationship with the Supreme. That is, one who has learned perfectly knows that every living entity is an eternal servitor of the Lord, and that consequently one has to act in Krishna consciousness. The entire Bhagavad Gita is directed toward this conclusion. Any other conclusions against this consciousness and its attendant actions are vikarmas, or prohibited actions. To understand all this, one has to associate with authorities in Krishna consciousness and learn the secret from them. This is as good as learning from the Lord directly. Otherwise, even the most intelligent people will be bewildered. Thank you for watching, and I will tell the next shloka in the next video.